Hello and welcome to my channel.
Default Dinosaur!
How are you friends? I hope you all are fine and we have a partition today in this mud ground because today the story is the beautiful and lovely farm animal will meet prehistoric dinosaur in this mud ground. So Mr. Sheraz, he will show you the farm animals and Mr. Zayan, he will tell you about the dinosaur. So here we have these lovely dinosaur and animals. So yes, Mr. Sheraz, what you have today in the farm animals? You have the rabbit. Show me the rabbit first. Wow, rabbit is a farm animal. Yes, Sheraz, go ahead. Very good. You have a very nice placement. Sheraz, thank you. And Mrs. Zayan, what dinosaur you are showing us today?
Triceratops.
Triceratops, very good. That's a three-horn-faced dinosaur and a herbivore dinosaur. Yes, you can place him. Very good. Shiraz, is your turn. Shiraz has the sheep and this sheep is a very lovely animal. Very good, very good. Yes, it's a good farm animal. Sheep is a very useful farm animal. And Shiraz have find a good place for this sheep. And now here comes Mr. Zayan and Zayan will pick up Suchomimus. Wow, just look at his big mouth and sharp teeth. That's a big carnivore dinosaur. Very good. Now we have Mr. Shiraz and Shiraz will show us the next farm animal and he picked the goat, a very lovely and a cute farm animal. He has two little horns on his head and a little beard as well. Yes, Shiraz, you can place him anywhere you want. And Shiraz find the place. Very good. And now here comes Mr. Zayan and Zayan will now
Stegosaurus.
place another dinosaur which is a Stegosaurus, a big herbivore and a spiky dinosaur. I guess you should keep him like big space about this. Very good. And now we have Mr. Zayan. So Zayan will now show you the another. Here comes the Velociraptor. Wow. This Velociraptor has a shaky head. Wow, amazing. Head. You just push him front and he will open his teeth. Wow. This Velociraptor is
Dilophosaurus
so
has a shaky.
Wow. This is a very playable dinosaur.
And he has a very long
Velociraptor
tail.
has a
You can
very
see.
very
So this
long
one is
tail. Just
Dilophosaurus.
look at him. Amazing friend, isn't it? Here we go. Because his tail should be visible, he has this big tail. So now Mr. Sheraz, he will tell you the next farm animal, which is a camel. This camel with the two arms. Yes, Sheraz, you can place him anywhere you want. Wow. And he put him near this date tree, which is the favorite food of this camel. And now Mr. Zayan, he will show you the next dinosaur, which is a Dilophosaurus. And the Dilophosaurus is a big carnivore dinosaur. Very good. Nice place, Zayan. Very good. And now Mr. Sheraz, he will show you the next farm animal, which is a rooster. And a rooster is a very little and a very cute and a colorful farm animal. Very good. And now Mr. Zayan will tell you the next dinosaur which he has is Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus is a spiky and a big dinosaur and he is herbivore by diet. You can place him anywhere you want. Very good. And now Mr. Sheraz, he will tell you the next farm animal which is a dog. Wow. The dog is so cute. His tongue is out and this is such a cute dog. And Sheraz is placing the animals. Very good. Zayan is also placing the animal very, very good. So, wow, we have this newly added T-Rex. This black and red color is so cool. Wow. Yes, you can place him anywhere you want. Very good, very good. And now Mr. Sheraz, he will show you our next animal, which is a horse. The big farm animal horse. Okay, you can place him. Very good, Sheraz. You have a lovely place. And now we have Zayan, and Zayan is placing the next dinosaur, which is a Spinosaurus. A Spinosaurus with a big spike and a carnivore dinosaur. Yes, Zayan, you can place him. This one is a very lovely place, Zayan. And now the Sheraz turn. Sheraz will place one animal here. Yeah, which one is this? This one is cow. Very good. Yes, you can place him down anywhere you want. Very good. But you have some place here. How about this? Very good. And Zayan, he will place now the next dinosaur, which is a Huangosaurus. Wow, this Huangosaurus is a very lovely dinosaur. Yes, you can put him down. Sound good. And now Mr. Sheraz, he will tell you the next animal, the farm animal, and he has a cat. Cat is a very lovely farm animal. Yes, Sheraz, you can put him down anywhere. And now here comes Mr. Zayan, and Zayan will place one dinosaur, which is a Centrosaurus. That's a herbivore dinosaur with one horn on his face, and this one is a good place. Zayan was thinking on the backspace, but we have some space here, so I advise him to place him here. So here comes little Sheraz now, and Sheraz will have, he has a donkey, another big farm animal. Yes, Sheraz, you can go ahead with him. Very nice. And now we have Mr. Zayan, and Zayan has one dinosaur left, which is a Brachiosaurus. Wow, this one is a very big one. So yes, you can place him anywhere you want. Very good. So given this basket, let me hide him. And we have a little Tarzan here. Let me show you this beautiful toy. We have a Tarzan. Just look at this Tarzan. And this Tarzan rotates.
Tarzan is here.
We have a little Ryan here. He just put this Tarzan here. He said this will make this video very interesting. Yeah, this one is a Tarzan. Wow.
Not Tarzan.
So this is Mr. Ryan, another animal lover and a very exciting kid about animals.
Oh.
So we are ready?
Yes.
Okay, Shiraz. Sound good? So which animal you want to watch first? Horse. Wow. He's very dirty. Yeah, Shiraz, you can watch him now.
Oh, it's water.
Yeah, Tarzan is in water. Here we go. Horse. So here comes Mr. Zayan now, and Mr. Zayan will watch Triceratops. No, he just chose the Brachiosaurus. Wow. Okay, you can bring him now. Here we go, Brachiosaurus. And the next one we have is Shiraz. What animal we are watching now? We have a cat. Very good. This cat is very dirty. Here we go. This cat is clean. Wow. Now Zayan will watch another dinosaur. Which one is a Triceratops? Wow. This one is completely dirty. So let's make it clean. Wow, the Triceratops is clean. That's good. Sounds good. So here are Mr. Shiraz. So Shiraz will watch the next animal, which is donkey. He's very dirty, Shiraz. You can wash him now. Here we go. Donkey. Very good, Shiraz. Thank you. And the next one we have is, what we have?
T-Rex.
We have T-Rex. Wow, this is a lovely T-Rex and he is very, very dirty. Beautiful T-Rex. Black and red. Yes, you can wash him now. Here we go. T-Rex. Wow. This one is full. And now Mr. Shiraz, he will tell you about the next farm animal, which is a cow. Wow, this cow is so good. Yes, Shiraz, you can wash it now. Here we go. The cow is clean. And the next one, Zayan, which dinosaur is this?
Spinosaurus.
Spinosaurus, a very dirty Spinosaurus, which we are going to clean now. Here we go, Spinosaurus. Yes, Shiraz, which farm animal we have next? We have a dog. Wow, this dog is very dirty. Yes, you can clean him now. Here we go, dog. Sound good? And now what animal we have now?
Triceratops. Centrosaurus.
This one is a Centrosaurus. Wow, and he's very, very dirty. So let's make him clean. Wow, here we go, Centrosaurus. Very good. You're both doing a very good job. So Shiraz, what farm animal we have now? We have a rooster, which is very, very dirty. So yes, you can wash him now. Here we go, rooster. Now here comes the Zayan turn. And Zayan, we have the next dinosaur, which is Huangosaurus. Wow, a big herbivore dinosaur. Here we go. Huangosaurus is clean. Here we go. And now we have Shiraz, and Shiraz have the next animal, which is camel. A very dirty camel. This camel has two horns, and camels are the herbivore big animal, also known as the desert sheep. Here we go. Camel. The next one we have Zayan, and Zayan is going to wash Ankylosaurus, the big spiky dinosaur which is very, very dirty. Here we go. You can clean him now. Thank you. Wow, this Ankylosaurus is so good. Ankylosaurus. We have a lots of animal and dinosaurs. So here comes Sheraz now. So Sheraz has the sheep. Wow, this sheep is very dirty. Very, very dirty. And Sheraz is going to wash him now. Here we go. The sheep is clean. Wow, and she looks so good. So you can put him here. Thank you. So here comes Zayan now. Zayan has chosen the Velociraptor. Wow, just look at his big tail. Yes, you can bring him now. He's very dirty. He need a quick wash. Here we go. Velociraptor. Here comes Mr. Sheraz again, and Sheraz has the beautiful llama, which is very, very dirty. Yes, Sheraz, you can clean him now. Here we go, llama. And the next one we have Zayan and Zayan. Let's go for this Stegosaurus. Wow, this one is very, very dirty. Very dirty. Yes, clean him. Make him a quick wash. Stegosaurus are big spiky herbivore dinosaurs. They move with 4 legs. They have really big spikes. Here we go. Stegosaurus. And now we have Sheraz on the other side, and Sheraz will going for gold. Another beautiful and lovely farm animal. Gold. Here we go. Go! And now we have one dinosaur and one farm animal, rabbit. So Mr. Sheraz will pick his farm animal, rabbit, a very cute animal which is very, very muddy and dirty right now. So he will make him clean. Here we go. This rabbit is clean. Wow. We will put him here. And now we have Mr. Zayan. And Zayan has Suchomimus, the last standing dinosaur in the mud ground, which is very, very dirty. So yes, you can watch this Suchomimus now. Here we go. Suchomimus. Wow. So we have cleaned all the dinosaur and this. So we have cleaned all the farm animals and all the dinosaur in the mud ground. You can see this wash tub. And this little Ryan is very excited, which was not in the video. So what you need to do is
Like the video, subscribe the channel.
and hit the bell icon. Have a great day, friends. Take care.